As we come to the close of this meeting, I just wanted us to say a few words, especially in appreciation of the people who have really done their best to ensure that we have this meeting. I would like to thank the teams from the different countries, Ethiopia, Burkina Faso and Mozambique, for making time to attend this meeting and finding the resources.
We have been here for the 5 days doing a lot. The 5 days have enabled us share between countries what we've been able to do for the program, and I know through the 5 days we have learned a lot. And from that learning, we have come up with work plans. We've been going through a lot. We have what it takes to take us to the future.
I am so pleased that you all have given this time for this subject, to look at the legacy, what we can do for the children in need in our 4 focal countries, to make a lasting impact, to leave a footprint as individuals, as ministries, as light for the world, looking at the next generations to come, to give them the best possible health and eye care we can provide. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Very much love Uganda.
Ethiopia.
Thank you, Ugandan team.